Welcome to Design Engineering. Today we are going to see about how to design this object in SolidWorks 2016 uh, in 5 steps. Okay, please note down this all the dimensions. Here not having any 3D models, so we will create the object for 3D. So by using SolidWorks 2016. So first of all, I need to create 86 by 56 rectangle, then extrude value it's having 34 mm. So all dimensions are in mm, so I have to give here, so dimensions is mm value, then directly go for front plane, just click sketch rectangle, I think 86 by 56, this is a 56 value, then 86, enter. It will create the fully defined sketch, then directly go for future extrude. The extrude value is I think 34. Okay, I have to give it in mid plane, just click OK here, it will create the object. Then I have to go for this shape of cut. Okay, this two shape of cut, uh, this is a 34 mm, 18, so thickness is 8 mm, so through cut, go for top plane, just sketch normal to, and also I have to create here center line, so 18, so I have to offset this one 9, so give it here bi-directional, it will create the both side object, just click OK here. This I have to give it here, offset distance is 8 mm, so only one direction, so reverse direction, just click OK, it will create the object. Then I can go for convert entities, this edge will be converted. Same way how to create here also, then select the line, go offset, then value is 8, just click OK. Then go for the trim command, it will so you have to trim all these unwanted lines. Okay, it's a fully defined sketch, directly go for extrude cut. So and also you can select here through hole, will cut the object. Then I have to go for this shape of cut 15, then 5 mm thickness. I have to select this face, then normal to here. I need to create one center line, then I can use offset command 15 divided by 2, 7.5, so bi-directional, just click OK, it will create the object, I mean lines. So and also I can convert the edges here, then I can go for offset, the value is 5, only one direction, so I have to use reverse one. Then go for trim command, then you can trim unwanted all this line. Okay, then go for exit sketch, then extrude cut, and also you can select here through cut. Okay, it will create the object like this. Then I have to choose this face to sketch, then I can create here one cut, so having 48 mm length, then here is 12, then you can create the one triangle like this shape, so I have to create here. Okay, then you can create the dimensions for this one, 48 divided by 2, then here is having 12 mm height, this face to this edge having 12 mm, then it will create the fully defined sketch. Then I can use the mirror entities, this is a center line. I have to use select and you can change the center line. So center line geometry, directly go for select this object, mirror about this line. Just click OK, it will create the mirrored object here. So then you can go for future, then future extrude cut. Here also same, so through cut. Then you can select the counter, selected counters. So easily create the all this type of object. Okay, then I have to create here uh, this shape of object. So you can consider all this type of 4 views, then only you can clearly understand the shape of this view. Okay, so dimensions is 76. Okay, total distance is 76. Here also it will give some dimensions for here both side 5 mm. Okay, so this point to this point it's having 5 mm in our top side view. So I have to go for here plane, then I can choose this one. It's having 5 mm, so flip direction, it will create it in inside of our object. Okay, then I can choose this plane to sketch normal to. Then I have to create here some like this shape of rectangles. This point to this point it's having horizontal constraint. Then you have to decide the value for this one. So it will give already it's given I think 8 mm, sorry 18 mm, 18, enter. Then you have to decide the object for this one also. So first of all I need to mirror this object. So mirror command, then select the object, then select the center line to mirror. Then go for dimensions. This edge to this edge it's having 76. Okay, it will create the object. Okay, and also I have to decide this edge to this edge, it will have collinear. Okay, so it will automatically update it here also, same. Then exit sketch, go for extrude, then here have to select up to body. So this is a body to up to, just click OK. It will create the object like this. This is our exact shape of model. So it's given dimensions. I have to create give some color difference. Okay, this is the exact model of our given dimensions in 3D model. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. Don't forget subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.